How to change your age in Epic Games. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can change your age in Epic Games. The first thing you must notice that there are two ways to do this. The first way is by changing your date of birth by deleting your account, and then once you delete your account, while you're activating your account or while creating another account, you can now use another date of birth. And the second way is by logging in into your Epic Games account, and then by contacting the customer support. And to contact the customer support, once they are on the stores page, just move to the top part of the screen here and then click on support. Once you click on support, you'll be redirected to the help centers page. This is how the help centers page look like, and then you can see search help center. So yeah, you can just type out your question, which is how can you change your age, or you can select any of these subheading, which include games, accounts, and enterprise. For you can just select account, and then you'll be directed to the account settings. Click on account again, and from here you can now deal with your account settings and check out all of these questions, or some of the questions, all your questions you have asked. And then if you've not gotten a response, just scroll down and then you'll see the contact us button. Just click on it. Having clicked on this contact us button, you'll be taken to the support request page. On this page, you would see your name, you'll see your email, platform, account, and then you will see contact reason. So from here you can now select the reason you are contacting them. If it's not among it, just select something similar to what you are going through. For example, could be Epic account, and then describe your problem here, which is how you can change your account, and then submit an email request. After that, your question or your email will be reviewed, and then information or direction on how you can change your age would be sent to you. So this is how you can change your age on Epic Game. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.